Hey, happy Cinco de Mayo. We're going to chat about what is going to be happening for science for today. I'm just going to kind of move myself around the screen so you can see everything that I'm doing. You're going to go ahead, you're going to click on your Google Apps. Oh, I'm going to have to move myself again here. Click on Classroom. Going to go ahead and find Miss Sam's Science for today. And there are a couple different posts for today. The one you're going to, I shouldn't say there's a couple, I should say that there's going to be the same ones that are the same thing. It's just going to show the assignment, and then it's going to show my announcement to the class. So it says, hello and happy Cinco de Mayo. Watch the video with Mystery Science. Then there are questions to answer after you watch the mini lesson on your own Google document. Please reach out if you need help, Miss Sam. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on classwork. And then I'm going to click on how do flowers bloom in spring. Okay. And then I'm going to see there's a video, and then I'm going to see that there's my name. Okay, well, there's this particular student's name. Okay, it's going to give your own name for your document. Okay, so you're going to go ahead, you're going to click on how do flowers bloom. It's going to pull you up to the video. Okay, and you can watch it in full screen if you choose. And there's a couple of things. So it's going to give you a video, it's going to give you a bonus, and then it's going to give you a vote. Okay, so you are going to need to go through all three of those. Okay, so if you take a look at the top, all right, because then it lets Mystery Science know which one you are all wanting to do next time, the next video. So kind of based off of popularity will be the next one we watch. All right, when you're all done watching it, you're going to go ahead, you're going to click on your Google document. And you don't need to worry about hitting save. This is automatically going to save for you. You don't necessarily need to type in name. I know when you submit it to me that whose it is by the name that's at the top of the document, but if you like to for good practice, I'm okay with that. As a reminder though, please make sure that you are using full sentences with appropriate sentence structure. So there should be capital letters, there should be appropriate spelling. This is on the computer, it's literally doing the spelling for you. It underlines it in red if it's wrong. Make sure you have correct punctuation. I should not be seeing I don't know, I don't care, or any of those kind of nasty words that I've been seeing pop up lately. With the swearing, that's not appropriate for school. All of you know that. So how do flowers bloom in spring is the first one. You're going to go ahead, you're going to type in how flowers bloom in spring. Now, if you are really struggling, those of you who are not big typers, remember, okay, also you can do read, write, okay? So it will read for you and it will write for you, okay? So all you need to do is click on that puzzle piece. It is just like text to speech, those of you that use that in your cell phones. Okay, next question. What did this lesson make you curious about? What other questions do you have about flowers? There should be 2 sentences in here. There's 2 questions, 2 sentences at the minimum. All right, last but not least, bonus activities. So this is completely optional. It is super fun. If you do it, please let me know. I would love to know, and you'll get extra credit. You can see for yourself how water moves inside of a plant. Fill a glass with water and add a few drops of red or blue food coloring. Place a white flower in the glass. Now, some of you may not have a white flower, maybe, but if you take a look outside, there's quite a few daisies maybe around. Look closely at the flower petals. What do you notice? Repeat this experiment, but use a stalk of celery or a lettuce leaf. This one was pretty cool with the celery. What do you predict will happen? Right? So let me know if you do it. It's really fun. I know some of you don't have that kind of stuff on hand, and I understand. That's why I made it optional, but it is super fun. All right, so then when you are all done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to say turn in for your work. Okay? And then you're done. That's it. All right, let me know if you have any questions or if you need help. I'm available by email, calling, or texting me. Have a good one, guys.